Hello there, my name's John and I just thought I'd share this with you. I'm a member of Redditch Historical Detection Society and detectwales.com. I just thought I'd share this with you about making your own Minelab rechargeable battery packs and saving yourself some money. What I've got here is a rechargeable battery pack which I decided to make myself because I don't mind paying for batteries, but they can work out quite expensive, sort of £50–60 a rechargeable battery pack. So I decided that I was going to make my own. Now I bought some. You get these cases which are here, come as alkaline carrier battery cases. If you're very careful, you can take the top off them. Okay. If you take the cap off, you can put some rechargeable NiCad batteries in. These ones were 16 milliamps per hour battery cells at total, and I bought them from a car boot for £2. It worked out well, about £4–5 for the two battery sets for these ones here. That's in this one that I've already made up. I've used that a few times on digs. I just decided to put it on charge. And this is the other one. I've used some set batteries in there already. Those were my first lot. And I decided to buy another carrier for £20 from another detector stockist. As you can see, I've taken the top off. You can prise the tops off if you're very careful. I accidentally broke the one side of those in that one, but what you do, inside on the connections there, on the positive, is a thermistor, so don't remove that because that's designed on the positive connection. You'll see it here, there. It's not a capacitor, it's not an inline coil, it's a thermistor, so that acts for current consumption with the metal detector. Okay, so it's important and imperative that you leave that in. And when you put your socket in, which is a 1.3mm DC socket, you make sure that you have the polarity the correct way around. Plus goes to plus, minus goes to minus. The two connections from the DC socket go directly across the battery connections. Okay, and the charger works very well with them, not a problem. You don't need the circuit board that is inside. They do fit a circuit board in the others. That is a charging circuit, but you don't charging in current circuit. But you don't actually. You can use these quite amicably without any problems at all, and it charges very well. It's imperative though that you do get them the right way around, because there is a rectifier in the AC adapter. It's a half-wave rectifier. I don't think it's a full wave. A full bridge is 4 diodes. I think there might be 2 in it, I'm not sure, but that is that converts it from alternating current to direct current. But that's neither here nor there. This is the pack that I made, so it works out £20 for the carrier, £2 for the batteries, that's what it cost me, and £2 off eBay for the 1.3mm socket. So for £24 I've made myself a rechargeable pack, and it works very well. It works very good. It goes all day, works all day, and I've left that on charge a little bit, so I'll show you. Here's my Minelab Explorer. I'm going to slot the pack in. Here we go, slotting it in. As you can see, I had a bit of problems there where I broke the connectors off the edge, but there's the socket inside. You'll see the socket, can you see it? The socket in there. I actually aldited that into position, and watch, here it goes, okay, there you go, and I'm going to power it up. There we go. And look, full battery. See the battery indicator? Absolutely full, and it works. It works fantastic. So for £24, you know, probably less than one battery, I've made myself 2 rechargeables. You can't. Perfect. And they work brilliant, and they charge brilliant. Not a problem. And yeah, there you go. And as I say, I've got my other one almost ready. I've just ordered some more DC sockets. These are ready. They're both black on here that I've put for positive and negative, but if you want to, you can make that red, but I know what I'm doing. So, and they're soldered straight across the battery connections, and they will solder straight to the DC socket, so that obviously you can't go wrong, because you plug it straight in off the AC adapter, and that charges the batteries directly. When you've finished charging, just unplug it, and it works super. It works super. You can see battery connection still up, perfect. It works fine. Yeah. And there you go, unslot it, and slot it in. The only thing you'll notice is that if you watch the LED, that's a light emitting diode, the red LED, it goes a little bit dull, but that's just because of the current consumption that you're taking out of the secondary of the transformer, but they work fine and they charge fine. Not a problem. Alright, so if you want to save yourself some money, they work great. Right, thank you, bye bye.